Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the crude oil markets. But just before I start today's video, for those who are interested in joining my Signal service, please do not hesitate to visit my website dailymarketmovements.com. I charge a very small fee of $29.99 as a monthly subscription fee, and I've left that website link in the description of today's video. But let's talk about the crude oil prices. Crude oil hitting a new weekly high today. We actually got and tested the 0.618 fib area, which is all the way up at around $115 a barrel. That being said, we are now currently testing a key resistance area. This is an area where on the 24th of March 2022, so earlier on this year, we got rejected at, and it sent us crashing all the way down to $92 a barrel a few weeks later. Am I saying that's going to happen now? No, but what I am saying is that you have to identify that there is an area of resistance at current levels. So are we just going to shoot straight up towards $130 a barrel? Unlikely so. I think that we are going to struggle here. We may see the bears hop back in and try and regain some territory. That being said, if we were to clear $116, let's say 117, then I think that opens up the doors all the way up towards $130 a barrel. The macro picture for the crude oil markets at this moment in time is very bullish. The fundamentals, you can't fault them. Everything is going in crude oil's direction for these prices to go higher. That being said, inflation's very high, crude oil prices are very high, and people probably and likely aren't going out anywhere near as much as they would like to or normally would do so. And of course that eventually will have a negative impact on the demand for crude oil. So I feel like we just got to wait a few months now for that to kind of play catch up. But ultimately I think the crude oil prices are setting up for a fantastic long-term shorting opportunity. And the reason I say that is because if we go on the monthly chart and we just look in perspective as to where the crude oil prices are currently sitting, if we just really have a big zoom out here, and it takes us all the way back to 2004, well actually it takes us all the way back down to 1985, but if we just draw a cube here as to previously when crude oil prices have been as high as what they are currently, well, you've only really got the financial crisis back in 2008. Apart from that, crude oil prices have spent their whole time below current levels, and I think long term, if you're a long-term investor here, I think that crude oil could offer a fantastic shorting opportunity, even if you play down towards $80 a barrel. I'm not saying that we're going to go back to minus territory here. That's not what I'm trying to say, but what I am saying is that there definitely is a fantastic longer-term shorting position here for the crude oil prices, perhaps of around 30, 40, maybe even 20% here for the crude oil prices. So definitely money making opportunities on the horizon here. You don't want to miss out. I myself and the Signal team opened up another Signal today. I'm not going to tell you the details of that Signal, but it's still not too late to get involved. In fact, it's actually at our current where crude oil is currently trading right now. That's where we entered. So if you are watching this video and you want to get involved, definitely go head over to my website dailymarketmovements.com and subscribe.